Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 8 kitchen gadgets of 2024 that will transform your cooking experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these innovative tools will make your time in the kitchen easier and more enjoyable. Let's get started. First up, we have the Instant Pot Duo Plus. This powerhouse offers 9-in-1 functionality. From pressure cooking to yogurt making, this gadget does it all. Plus, with its improved stress-free venting, releasing steam is now easier than ever. The real-time feedback display keeps you updated on your cooking progress. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can whip up anything from ribs to desserts at the push of a button. Cleanup is a breeze with its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel and dishwasher-safe components. Perfect for growing families, this Instant Pot cooks meals up to 70% faster and has over 10 safety features. Plus, the Instant Brands Connect app is a treasure trove of recipes. If you're interested in the Instant Pot Duo Plus, check out the link in the description below. Next on our list is the iconic Vitamix 5200 blender. This blender gives you variable speed control, allowing you to achieve your desired texture with ease. Its 64-ounce container is perfect for blending large batches, and it can even create steaming hot soup in just 6 minutes. With hardened stainless steel blades, this blender is built to last and self-cleans in just 30 to 60 seconds. If you want high-quality results every time, the Vitamix 5200 is the way to go. For more details, check out the link below. Have a sweet tooth? Meet the Ninja CREAMi. This incredible gadget allows you to turn everyday ingredients into ice cream, gelato, smoothie bowls, and more. With 7 one-touch programs, you can easily customize your frozen treats, whether you prefer dairy-free or keto options. The Creamify technology ensures your creations are creamy and delicious. Plus, if you want a softer texture, the respin function is your friend. To learn more about the Ninja CREAMi, click the link in the description. Prep work just got a whole lot easier with the Hamilton Beach food processor and vegetable chopper. This compact 8-cup processor handles everything from shredding cheese to pureeing dips in no time. With a large feed chute, you can fit whole blocks of cheese, reducing prep time significantly. It features 2 speeds plus pulse for ultimate control. And cleanup? A breeze, as all parts are dishwasher safe. Check out the link below for more information. Want to make your own sparkling beverages at home? The Sodastream Art is here to help. This stylish gadget turns flat water into fresh, sparkling water with just a push of a lever. The cordless design means you can place it anywhere on your countertop. The included bubbly drops let you flavor your sparkling water with 0 calories and no sweeteners. Customize your fizz level with the ergonomic carbonation lever for the perfect drink every time. For more details, hit that link in the description. Next, we have the classic KitchenAid KSM150FEAQ stand mixer. This durable mixer features a flex edge beater to reduce mixing time and ensure thorough ingredient incorporation. With a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, you can mix up to 9 dozen cookies in one batch. Its tilt head design makes adding ingredients a breeze, and with 10 speeds, it can handle nearly any task. To find out more, click the link below. Keep your food fresher longer with the Precision Vacuum Sealer machine. This model offers 8-in-1 easy presets and a smart control system that adapts to different types of food. The sloping top design ensures maximum efficiency, and it's ETL certified for safety. With this vacuum sealer, you'll save money by extending the shelf life of your food. If you're interested, don't forget to check the link in the description. Last but not least, we have the Instant Vortex Plus XL 8-quart Clear Cook Air Fryer. This versatile gadget offers 8-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, roast, bake, and even dehydrate. With clear cook windows and an internal light, you can monitor your food without opening the basket. The dual baskets let you cook 2 meals at once, and with Even Crisp technology, your food will come out perfectly crispy every time. And if you're a fan of air fryers, we've got another video dedicated to them that you won't want to miss. For more information on the Instant Vortex Plus, check out the link in the description. That wraps up our list of the top 8 kitchen gadgets of 2024. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing kitchen tips and product reviews. See you next time.